morning. It's Trucker Glenn back with another video.
You need to take a look over the engine?
No, man, it's all good. We ain't got that. Well, you know, we're just out here getting a little bit of work done. Getting our truck and trailer washed at the weekend. Yes. Try to keep the trailer clean. Just a little something before we get our day started. It's midnight. We're going up to Chicago. Starting early. Get the load off early. Get it back out early and get back early. And relax early. Everything's early today. So after we get this done, after these guys finish doing the wonderful job that they're doing, we will be on our way. Alrighty, so we are looking real clean here. Looking real clean here. Alright. Man, listen. My lights wasn't working. My lights were not working. And I thought I had a problem. Well, the problem was, didn't have the lights on. So we're good. Let's roll out. Alright, when backing up into a door, make sure that you got yourself lined up the correct way. Because if you don't line yourself up the correct way, they won't be able to put that metal plate in the back of your trailer and go and either unload it or load it, whichever one you get it. Check it out. Get flush with it. Make sure that you are backed straight up to the door. Check the plate. Make sure that the plate has enough room to go into your trailer. Make sure when you back into the door, you chop your wheel. And so, you'll have to put the wheel chock all the way up on the wheel, just close enough to where when they start loading it, If the trailer decides to come forward, the wheel chock stops it from going any further. Yep. Push against the door, plenty of room. And there they go into the trailer. Now, let's go see it from the inside. Oh, you gotta see it. You gotta see this. Look at this guy just did. Look at that guy just did. Hey, tell my people something about what just happened out there.
Garbage.
Garbage? Just straight garbage, right? As you can see, we're at our next pickup point so that we can go back home. I have to go in here and watch them load this, and then I have to brace it myself. So I'm getting loaded. And I gotta brace this load. I have to brace this load with these to keep it from sliding around, sliding forward and backward. So that's what we're gonna do. They don't have a nail gun. So I'm using old wood, and straightening the nails out because I am going to brace this load. So guess what? Gotta straighten the nails out. We have 2 so far that are good. That one should be good. We got 4 braces, and we'll put these in there. This is how it looks getting put in the trailer. It's going straight down the middle. Straight down the middle. All right. We'll put our braces on there and we'll hold it. Almost done. All right, listen, that was my day. I didn't do too much. I went to Chicago, came back. I got loaded, came back. I'm in relaxation mode now. It was just a little in general video with some quick tips on it. Nothing major. But once again, welcome new drivers. I'm Trucker Glenn. If you haven't subscribed to my page, subscribe to my page. If you haven't subscribed to the Driver Solutions page, subscribe to the Driver Solutions page. If you haven't done it already, what are you waiting for? Please tell me. Please tell me what you're waiting for, because we are waiting for you to become a driver and to get out here and make this money, just like the rest of us are doing right now. If you got any questions or concerns, please hit the comment section. This is Glenn, Trucker Glenn that is. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.